Hey guys, today let's learn how to basically cash a check on Cash App. So in the case that you want to go ahead and enter an amount in check form on the Cash App application, how do you basically do this? And all we need to do first is to basically go ahead and, of course, let's actually show you guys step by step. Okay, so right here we do have this option. I want you to go ahead and firstly launch the Cash App application. So tap on your Cash App applications, and I want you to tap on the cash option on the lower left option on your screens. So that's going to be the lower leftmost icon on your screens. And then from there, I want you to go ahead and tap on the check options. As you see, we do have this checks option on here. And then this is going to basically scan the check with your phone. Next, of course, we need to enter the amount right here, basically the amount that is written on the check. And then from there, all we need to do is to now scan the check. So you do need to have the physical check with you because on the Cash App application, you're going to be needed to scan the check on the application. So just basically have the check written, or rather have the check ready. And then we could now basically go ahead and confirm the back of the check. So if you go ahead and now scan, you need to go ahead and upload the back and front of the check as well. So go ahead and just basically scan the check real quick. And then from there, all we need to do is to basically go ahead and take a photo front and back with a solid black or solid dark background. And then from there, of course, all we need to do next is to go ahead and tap on next and confirm that we have already taken the photo. And then now let's actually go ahead and scan and submit the check. So as you see here, all we need to do is to go ahead and submit the check. So just tap on submit if you already have taken both front and back photos, and then go ahead and basically tap on submit right here on the lower corner of your, or rather the lowermost part of your screen. And that's going to automatically enter the check, of course enter the amount of the check, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe if you learned something, and take care.